Valiant Olola Akoko TV. Àbí oníwọ̀jà àbí tọmọdé máma. Àbí oníwọ̀jà títẹ́ tọmọ máma yìí. Valiant Olola Akoko TV. Lẹ́yìn tẹ́tẹ́ ẹ máa dáná. Mo mọ̀rọ̀ mo mọ̀rọ̀. Mo mọ̀ wọ́n lórí rẹ̀ ní. Valiant Olola Akoko lòdì o. Akoko TV ó gbàgbé tó gbẹ̀yẹ. Ilé-iṣẹ́ tó ga yìí. Ilé-iṣẹ́ tó tóbi nígbà yìí. Valiant Olola Akoko TV. Ilé-iṣẹ́ tó tóbi nígbà yìí. Alẹ́ rẹ̀ yìí lẹ́nu rẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ máa dáná. Ẹ̀yin lára rẹ̀ yóò. Ẹ máa dáná. Àwọn ọmọdé lọ́rọ̀ òye. Ẹ máa dáná.
Thank you very much, Valiant Olola Akoko Television. We are here presenting a phototype of what is very, very possible in Akoko land. In the past, we used to have Auga Cattle Ranch. Auga Cattle Ranch can be brought to this stage. If government and individual collaborate together, we can have something as wonderful and powerful and exciting as this that we are having. Akoko, sons and daughters, both at home and diaspora. This is an opportunity for investment. Let us replicate something like this. It may not be as big as this, but at least let's make it sizable one, whereby government and individual, those who are interested in rearing cow, can have their place. You just give them number, you rent space, then every other thing will be provided. See, a solar power, electricity can be put there, then the food supply. The cow we are looking at here, though the food are mixed with some chemicals that will make them a medicine, but at the same time, it is very, very possible that we in Akoko can replicate this wonderful experience. Let's watch it. Valiant Olola Akoko, we can do this. I want your contributions. Let's share it. Let's discuss this issue as we are seeing. Is it possible to have this type of thing in Akoko? I want your comments. I want you to like, share. If you have not subscribed to Valiant Olola Akoko Television, please do. Let's keep on as we watch our beloved brother.
Now, bring the cow. You see them are giant cows, giant cows, big cows. Everywhere, carry a rope up. Not be saying one fan, different fan, industrial fan. Industrial fan. Now they give them industrial one. Understand? So industrial fan. Every video there, video the fan, video the fan.
Thank you again. Akoko in diaspora, Akoko at home. This is very, very possible. We can replicate this. Let us collaborate together. All the 4 local governments in Akoko, we can collaborate together and have something as beautiful and wonderful as this. Let us pursue this Akoko agenda on agriculture. Let us pursue it so that others, farmer clash will not even come up again. Maybe at Ikakumo or Auga or any other farm settlement within and without. We can do this. It is possible. The Fulani that have all these cows, we can bring them together so that they can have this place as their permanent place, and it will be another wonderful source of income to the Akoko people. Those who will be providing the food, those who will be providing the water, those who will be cleaning the environment, and so on and so forth. This will be made possible. All those rich men that you bring cow, you gave your cow to Fulani people to continue to use it to dismantle and destroy farm crops. This is an opportunity. Let us come together. Let us come together and bring something wonderful as good as this, so that if at all you want to have cows, you can bring it here. Auga Cattle Ranch, organized by our Papa Awolowo in those days, in the 50s. The place is still there. You can make it as beautiful and wonderful as this. Let's continue. This is Valiant Olola Akoko Television.
The same law
Our focus is
govern
Akoko
us for
agenda
Nigeria.
on agriculture
Na the
today.
same law na
Agric
dey govern animal
farm
for
is
Nigeria.
very possible.
Animal dey
Cattle
useful for
rearing,
there pass
pastoral
human
farming
being.
is
See
very
am,
possible. We
people
have
lost una happy
Auga
but
already
look here
as a
now.
place. We can
That's
keep
to
on
say these
improving it.
animals,
All our
they
honorables,
don train them
this
to
is a
this
call
stage
to
from
duty.
small
Let
children.
us come together.
So
This is
when
a
they
simple
grow, go stay
technology.
one place,
Just
no
as we
people
have
say
seen
this
it,
one I
we
no fit
can
waka for
replicate
road.
it.
You
It
no
is
know the
very
thing.
possible.
You see
God
am.
bless Akoko.
Now
If you
cooperate
have
the
not
camera.
subscribe to Valiant Olola Akoko
See
Television.
the preservation
More
of
of
the
these
food. You
events
see am. All
will
this one
still
na
come
green
up.
grass.
Akoko
Na
is going
grass
to
be all
be in
this one.
London
You see am.
as by the
They
grace of God.
preserve am.
So let us continue
Don't
to
exclude
collaborate
say
together.
food
All our
finish. See am.
leaders,
All
let's
this one na
co-ops,
normal fresh
all other
leaf
rich
wey
people.
dey harvest.
Cow business is
They
a
come
very good
arrange
business,
am keep for
but it
here.
is possible.
Nothing like say
Even
food
milk
finish. No
dairy session
excuse.
can be arranged from
This
this.
is a
Apart
kind of
from making
life
it a
wey
meat,
Africa
we can also equally
suppose
bring dairy
emulate,
session,
wey
whereby
Africa
we bring
suppose
milks
copy.
and some
So that
other
you no dey
things
carry your
that
cow
will
from
be of
one state
benefit
to
to
another,
us here in
all in the name
Akoko.
of
And
say
from
you
here,
dey rear
we can
animal.
even be
You dey look for
replicating it
fertile
that
place wey you
Akoko
go
will
do
have its own
wetin
permanent
take give your cow.
ranch,
No,
whereby we produce milk, dairy.
this
So
place dey don advance pass those kind
let us
lifestyle.
continue.
I beg you in
God
the
bless.
name of God, if you dey watch this video, try your best, look for money, do this kind poultry farm. I rest my case. Thank you.
Also, all our experts in agriculture, we have many professors of agric, professor of pastoral all over Akoko. We can bring them together and let them focus and do something. We are not going to rely 100% on government. Let us rely on our expertise. All those retired professors, doctors, vet doctors, we can bring them together. Let them come and back up all these things. Let them come and play their own contribution. Let us make Akoko a wonderful place, Akoko a place of peace, so that we can be an example to other tribes, all other subnational within, particularly in the southwest. Akoko agenda must be pursued on agriculture, and I know for sure that when we do this, we become a wonderful example to people. Once again, I call on all our leaders. Let us come together and bring this to bear. It is very possible. Once again, if you have not subscribed to Valiant Olola Akoko Television, please do. Hit the subscription button and God will bless you.